Okay, see, we have the brand new Insignia 51 1080p plasma. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna try to turn it on with the remote. So you're pressing it to come on. Nothing. Then we're over here. They tell you unplug it for like 30 seconds. Unplugged it. Wait for a little bit. You see the power is off. As the red light indicates. This is horrible. Just wait for it. And now we're going to plug it back up. You can hear the blinking on and off. Just a clicking noise. Light still blinks. And then it clicks like it wants. Clicks again. Still blinks, no picture. Now let's try to turn it on again with the remote. Nothing. This is what you get when you pay kind of money for a TV. Sad story.